Okay, we're gonna use this video to give an overview of this Black Forest shelf cuckoo clock made by Johann Baptist Beha. Great example, the carvings are really nice. 8-day double fusee wood plate movement. Kind of have a remnant there of an original bone hour hand. It has its original Beha pendulum, which is stamped Meyer on the back. 1870, likely a original or very early owner of this clock. Nice original backboard and gong. Shingled roof. And there's the Beha 512 out of their catalog. Has this original cuckoo bird, nice 8-day double fusee wood plate movement, original bellows. What makes this clock unique or interesting is it was actually owned by the Beha family. I acquired this clock over a decade ago from Rolf Wursthorn, who is a descendant of Johann Baptist Beha. His family's featured in my book, Rare and Unusual Black Forest Clocks. And there is a regulator that is built into the hotel. There's Rolf's son, Hubert, who's now the hotel proprietor. And his label is on the backboard. You see family Wursthorn in Eisenbach. And this clock was being displayed in the hotel when I visited years ago, and I acquired this clock from Rolf before he passed. Nice example of an original Model 512 with an 8-day double fusee movement by Johann Baptist Beha with nice family provenance running up to the current day.